Hey there. Have you ever wondered if home security systems are really worth the investment? Well, today I'm diving into that very question. First off, let's talk numbers. Did you know that homes without security systems are up to 300% more likely to be broken into? Yeah, that's a huge difference. Having a security system can act as a serious deterrent for burglars. But it's not just about preventing theft. Modern home security systems offer so much more. From smoke and carbon monoxide detectors to smart home integration, these systems provide a comprehensive safety net. Imagine getting an alert on your phone if there's a fire or gas leak while you're away. Peace of mind, right? Now let's consider the financial aspect. Sure, installing a home security system can be pricey up front, but think of it as an investment. Many insurance companies offer discounts on home insurance premiums if you have a security system in place. Over time, those savings can really add up. And then there's the convenience factor. Ever forgotten to lock your door? With smart locks and home automation, you can secure your home from anywhere in the world. Plus, you can keep an eye on things with live video feeds. It's like having a personal security guard on duty 24/7. So, is home security worth it? If you value peace of mind, protection for your loved ones, and even potential cost savings, I'd say it's a solid investment. But it's not a one-size-fits-all answer. It really depends on your specific needs and circumstances. Before you make a decision, weigh the pros and cons, do your research, and maybe even talk to a security professional. They can help you find a system that fits your budget and meets your security needs. Alright, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips like these. Stay safe out there. Thanks for watching. Remember, a home security system is not just a purchase. It's an investment in your safety and peace of mind. The installation process might seem daunting, but many companies offer professional installation services to make it hassle-free. And once it's set up, managing your system is as easy as using an app on your phone. Knowing that your home is protected allows you to focus on what truly matters, spending quality time with your loved ones. Take your time to read reviews and compare different systems to find the one that best suits your needs. You might also want to talk to your neighbors and see what systems they use and recommend. Ultimately, the right home security system will give you confidence and peace of mind, knowing that your home and family are safe. So take the plunge and invest in a home security system that works for you. Thanks again for watching, and stay safe.